Dear students, in this module, we are going to talk about the cuisine of Balochistan. Blochy cuisine is very popular for its extraordinary taste in food. It has a variety of distinctive ways of cooking and a variety of food, including from very simple dishes to the very spicy and very heavy dishes. The locals of this region love the dishes made up of meat, and most of their dishes are made up of beef, lamb, and goat meat. Uh, Tourism in this region is mostly due to either of landscape and of their food or of their variety of food. Famous Balochi cuisine or famous Balochi dishes can include Kadhi Kebab, Saji, Dampocht, Kaak, Abog, fried fish, Kabli Pulao, and Landi. If we talk about the Kadhi Kebab, as the name suggests that it might be a kind of kebab, but it is not indeed. It's a whole lamb barbecue dish. The, the cook marinates a whole lamb with the very few spices and it is stuffed with the rice. Then it is covered and cooked in the underground oven uh, with uh, with the light fire. The result is very succulent and colorful meat that you eat along with the rice and yogurt and different kind of chutneys. Though it sounds very simple, only the locals and professionals can be or are able to prepare this dish perfectly because it requires very skillful cooking to know about that when this lamb can be considered as fully cooked. Another lamb dish, which is called Saji, is very famous all over the world. It is the whole lamb dish that locals cook over the charcoal, scattered on the ground, and marinade is of very few spices and also includes a layer of raw papaya paste around the meat. This helps cook the meat quickly and it keeps it succulent and juicy. Here are the few pictures that reflect these two famous dishes. On the left side, you will find the Kadhi Kebab, and on the right side is the Saji. And then we have Kaak. It's a typical Balochi bread. The locals wrap flour dough around the rocks and cook it over the fire. Although it is harder than most types of roti bread, the locals love to have it with the freshly prepared meat such as Kadhi Kebab and Saji. The combination of kaak with the delightful dishes made up of meat in the Balochistan is simply very tasty and magical. Here in this picture, you will find that how the kaak is prepared and the shape of the kaak. Then we have landi. It is one of the rarest food items in Balochistan. It is what you get after you preserve the seasoned meat for over 5 to 6 months. So it dries itself out in the sunshine and then ready to be cooked with anything. And here is the glimpse of this food, that how it is being dried in the sunshine and then being prepared. Then we have a typical form of Balochi Kabli Pulao. It was blessed to the people of Balochistan from Afghan refugees. This delicacy gives a sweet and spicy flavor to the very common pulao. And also, Balochi people are very fond of fried fish. The Blochy fish barbecue, or better known as the fish Saji, comes from Gwadar and Turbat region of Balochistan. And people prefer to eat this fried fish with the kaak or the chawal ki roti. Here you will find the pictures reflecting the fried fish and kabli pulao. Then we have khrut. Uh, it is used in a number of dishes in Balochistan and usually with the tirit. It is usually the dry salty yogurt used to salt up the dishes. It is added as the flavorant in all in most of the Balochi dishes. And here is the reflection of Khurud. If we talk about the deserts in Balochistan, we have a very famous Balochi sack color jelly kheer. It's a popular Blochi dessert loved by elders and children alike. This fabulous dish comprises of a layer of kheer pudding, colorful jelly, fruits, nuts, and cream. Because of its bright and colorful appearance, it is quite famous and quite popular among children and is a prominent Blochi dessert. Chilanche is a two or three colored dessert item made up of kheer and jelly. The fun bit is that it is eaten with the roti and onions. And here you will find the pictorial representations of Chilanche and Balochi share color jelly kheer.